P square O, C C O. We run things the raw way. We copy the club. Oh. See them around. Oh. See them a job. Oh. With your busy body. Hey, oh. Let's go, guys. Our trip started from now. We have to move. If you dey drink beer, if you dey drink beer, see where you hang your beer. You dey drink beer, eh? Oh yeah. Where? Let's move. Oh, did you drop the other car in the garage?
Yes,
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you wait
for me, I'm going to disappoint you. If you wait for me, I'm going to disappoint you. Oh God. Disappoint is not enough.
No, it's
okay.
Not enough to describe you.
Okay, what is
disappointing is not enough to describe.
What is the words that are you going to use to describe me? What is the word? Disappoint is not enough.
I don't know how to describe. Jehovah weakness.
Disappoint is not enough to describe
Jehovah
me. I cannot laugh alone. Okay. Now let's go with your beer. With your beer.
That you cannot try with beer.
Voila. Did you stain your clothes?
Huh?
Did you stain your clothes?
Stop video me.
Yeah, stop videoing me. Italiano numero uno. Yeah, say goodbye to everyone.
Goodbye. Turn off the video.
Let's go. We move. I'm leaving you guys. That is my jacket. Yeah, I drop it there now. It's not a problem now. Now what did they sub for your son? I don't make a fan lose appetite to travel with me today. Disappoint is not enough. What is the actual words that you are going to use for me? Please, what is the word? You said disappoint is not enough to describe me.
Yeah, to describe you, we can say Jehovah weakness on Sunday morning. It's the same.
But Jehovah witness come earlier.
No, I'm talking about 4 hours with Jehovah witness from 8 to lunch, listening, blah, blah, blah.
Just be happy with your wife, okay? Because we are going for vacation, all right? Just be happy with me. One love. Bye, guys.